Welcome to Pure Production Flow. Today we explore the fascinating industrial journey of transforming fresh tropical bananas into crispy golden snacks. The journey begins here in the tropical plantation, where sunlight and rain nurture these green giants into producing the finest fruit. Experienced farmers carefully inspect every bunch, ensuring that only the bananas with the perfect maturity level are selected for harvest. Harvesting requires precision and skill, as workers use sharp tools to detach the heavy bunches without damaging the delicate fruit inside. To prevent bruising during transport, an extensive cableway system carries the harvested bunches smoothly from the deep fields to the station. At the collection point, the fruits are carefully loaded onto trucks, ready to embark on the next stage of their industrial transformation. The transport trucks bridge the gap between nature and technology, delivering tons of fresh raw material to the processing facility daily. We arrive at the state-of-the-art processing plant, where advanced machinery and strict hygiene standards await the fresh arrival.
Bring it over here.
Inside the facility, the production line roars to life. This is where the magic of engineering meets the bounty of agriculture. Skilled workers rapidly separate the hands from the main stalk, preparing the individual bananas for the rigorous cleaning process ahead. The fruit is immediately submerged in a bubbling water tank, which gently removes field dust and initial latex from the skin. High-pressure water jets ensure that every nook and cranny is clean, guaranteeing that only pristine fruit enters the peeling stage. Quality control starts early here. Vigilant staff remove any fruit that is bruised or does not meet the strict size requirements. Automated cutters precisely trim the tips and tails of each banana, preparing them for the mechanical peeling process that follows. Advanced peeling machines mimic the human hand, gently stripping away the green skin without damaging the delicate flesh of the fruit. Once peeled, the bananas are immediately transported in a water flow to prevent oxidation and maintain their natural creamy white color. Human oversight remains crucial. Workers carefully inspect every single banana, removing any remaining fibers to ensure absolute perfection. The result is a stream of perfectly clean, smooth bananas, ready to be transformed into the thin, crispy chips we love. Alignment is key. The bananas are oriented perfectly before entering the slicer to ensure consistent cut angles and uniform chip shapes. Inside the slicer, razor-sharp blades rotate at high speeds, creating thousands of uniformly thin banana slices in a matter of seconds. Precision engineering ensures that every slice has the exact same thickness, which is critical for even cooking and consistent texture. Looking closely, we can see the intricate patterns of the fruit. This consistent thickness is the secret to a perfect crunch. The slices undergo another wash to remove excess surface starch. This step is vital to prevent them from sticking together later. For this specific recipe, the slices are briefly bathed in a natural sweet solution, enhancing the flavor profile of the final chip. A vibrating conveyor gently shakes the slices to remove excess liquid, ensuring they are not too wet before entering the fryer. The prepared slices are loaded into large metal baskets. We are now approaching the most critical stage of the entire production. The baskets enter the vacuum frying chamber. The heavy door seals shut, and the system begins to lower the atmospheric pressure inside. Inside, the vacuum environment allows water to evaporate at much lower temperatures, preventing the sugars from burning and preserving the color. This gentle cooking method retains the natural vitamins and minerals while transforming the texture from soft fruit to crispy chip. Technicians monitor the process closely. Precise control of temperature and pressure is the key to achieving consistent quality in every batch. Once the moisture content reaches the target level, the oil is drained and the baskets are lifted, all while maintaining the vacuum. To ensure a healthy, non-greasy snack, the baskets undergo high-speed centrifugation to spin off any excess oil remaining on the surface. The chamber opens to reveal the transformation. What entered as soft, white slices has emerged as golden, crispy, and aromatic chips. The hot chips are poured onto a cooling conveyor. You can almost hear the crispness as they cascade onto the metal bed. Cool air is circulated over the chips to rapidly bring them to room temperature, locking in the crunchiness immediately after frying. The result is a masterpiece of food processing. Uniform color, perfect texture, and the preservation of the natural banana aroma. Before packaging, another round of inspection takes place. Any chips that were broken during the intense spinning process are removed. Safety is paramount. The stream of chips passes through advanced metal detectors and X-ray scanners to ensure zero foreign contaminants. For flavored varieties, the chips enter a tumbling drum where they are evenly coated with a fine mist of premium seasoning. The chips move to the multi-head weigher. This computer-controlled system calculates the perfect combination of chips to meet the target weight. Below the weigher, the packaging machine forms bags from rolls of high-barrier film designed to keep moisture and light out. As the chips fall into the bag, a blast of nitrogen gas flushes out oxygen, extending shelf life and preserving freshness. Heat-sealing jaws clamp down with precision, creating an airtight seal that locks in the flavor and crunch until the moment of consumption. The finished bags, now fully protected and branded, slide down the conveyor belt, ready for the final stage of their factory journey. Robotic automation takes over for the casing process, picking up bags and arranging them neatly into shipping cartons with tireless precision. Once filled, the cartons pass through an automatic sealer, which folds the flaps and applies heavy-duty tape to secure the contents. Logistics staff apply the final tracking labels and barcodes, ensuring that every box can be traced back to its production batch. Forklifts transport the pallets to the high bay warehouse, organizing the stock efficiently before it is distributed to markets around the world. From the humble banana tree to the high-tech factory floor, we have witnessed a seamless integration of agriculture and industrial engineering. But the journey truly ends here, in the hands of the consumer. The sound of the bag opening promises a delightful snack. The perfect crunch, the sweet aroma, and the natural taste are the ultimate rewards for the complex process we have just explored. Whether enjoyed as a quick energy boost or a companion to your afternoon tea, these chips represent the best of nature preserved. Behind every bite is a commitment to hygiene, quality, and efficiency that defines the modern food production industry we see today. Continuous improvement is driven by science. Lab technicians constantly analyze samples to refine the process and elevate the product quality further. As the sun sets, the distribution fleet rolls out, carrying these golden snacks to supermarkets, convenience stores, and homes globally. Let's take a closer look at the technology. The mechanical peelers use sensors to adjust to the varying shapes of natural fruit. The slicing blades are honed to a razor's edge and replaced regularly. A dull blade would crush the cells, ruining the texture. The oil itself is constantly filtered and circulated. Keeping the oil clean is essential for the pure taste and light color of the chips. Responsibility extends to the environment. Advanced water treatment systems ensure that the factory operates in harmony with the surrounding ecosystem. This industry supports local communities. A strong partnership between the factory and farmers ensures a sustainable livelihood for hundreds of families. Back on the line, the speed is mesmerizing. This facility can process thousands of kilograms of fresh bananas every single day. Modern manufacturing is digital. Operators control every parameter from touchscreens, making real-time adjustments to optimize the production flow. From a soft, perishable fruit to a shelf-stable, crispy snack, the transformation preserves the essence while completely changing the form. The scale of operation required to feed the global appetite for healthy snacks is immense, spanning acres of land and machinery. Nothing goes to waste. The tons of banana peels generated daily are composted to create rich organic fertilizer for the fields. This organic compost returns to the soil, nourishing the next generation of banana trees, creating a truly closed-loop production cycle. Sustainability is not just a buzzword here. It is a practice embedded in every step, ensuring the future of this delicious industry. As production winds down, a rigorous sanitation protocol begins. Every surface is cleaned and sanitized to prepare for the next day. Deep cleaning involves disassembling key components. This prevents cross-contamination and ensures the machinery operates at peak efficiency for years. Overnight, UV sterilization systems may be employed to keep the air and surfaces free from microbial growth, maintaining a sterile environment. While the factory sleeps, the logistics network is wide awake, moving the day's production to distribution centers across the country. As the sun rises again, a fresh workforce arrives, ready to continue the cycle of turning nature's bounty into golden snacks. Hygiene protocols are strictly enforced. Every employee passes through air showers and sanitization stations before setting foot on the production floor. The master switch is flipped. The hum of motors fills the air as the giant production lines wake up for another run. Fresh raw materials are already waiting at the dock. The relentless pursuit of productivity ensures that the supply chain never stops. Digital sensors track every metric, from input weight to output yield, providing data that helps engineers optimize efficiency continuously.
As you could see, the CFD
Understanding
simulation
thermodynamics is
demonstrates highly
crucial.
efficient and
Engineers
even heat
design the
distribution
airflow to
across
ensure
all
that
three
every
product
chip
trays.
receives the exact same amount of heat energy. Preventative maintenance is key. Skilled technicians service the robots regularly to prevent breakdowns that could halt the entire production line. From above, the factory floor looks like a complex organism, with every part working in harmony to achieve a singular goal. Packaging is not just protection, it is information. Labels proudly display the nutritional benefits, highlighting the natural goodness inside every bag. This facility caters to a global palate. Different packaging designs and languages are produced to meet the regulations of international markets. Random samples undergo leak testing. Ensuring the seal is perfect is the only way to guarantee the product survives long shipping routes. Communication is the backbone of safety and quality. Daily briefings ensure every team member is aligned with the day's production targets. Behind the machines are the people. Providing a comfortable environment for rest and nutrition is essential for maintaining a motivated workforce. Despite automation, the human eye remains the ultimate judge of quality, catching subtle imperfections that machines might miss. Texture analyzers in the lab measure the exact force required to break a chip, quantifying the crunch to ensure consistency. Moisture content is strictly controlled. Too much moisture means soggy chips. Too little could mean they are burnt or too hard. Samples from every batch are stored for the duration of their shelf life, allowing the factory to track quality over time. Raw material inventory is managed in climate-controlled storage to prevent premature ripening, ensuring a steady supply for the production line. Biosecurity extends to the vehicles. Trucks are washed and sanitized to prevent carrying any contaminants in or out of the facility. The translucency of the chip when held to the light is a testament to the thin slicing and the gentle vacuum frying process. Ultimately, these chips bring joy. They are a healthy, convenient snack that parents can trust and children love to eat. Packed with potassium and natural energy, they are also the perfect fuel for athletes and active individuals needing a quick boost. In the busy modern world, having a mess-free, delicious snack at your desk makes the workday just a little bit brighter. Looking to the future, the factory harnesses solar energy to power its operations, reducing the carbon footprint of every bag produced. Heat recovery systems capture waste energy from the fryers and reuse it to heat water for cleaning, maximizing energy efficiency. Innovation never stops. The R&D team is constantly experimenting with new flavors and cuts to keep the product line exciting. From chocolate-dipped variations to spicy, savory blends, the versatility of the humble banana chip allows for endless creative culinary possibilities. As demand grows, the factory is designed to scale, ready to increase capacity without compromising the strict quality standards established. Knowledge transfer is vital. Experienced staff mentor new recruits, passing down the skills and safety culture that define the company. International certifications on the wall are not just decorations. They are hard-earned guarantees of safety, quality and operational excellence. Transparency is key to building trust. The facility welcomes partners to witness the process firsthand from observation decks above the floor. There is a certain beauty in the physics of production. Watching the chips tumble and dance is a mesmerizing display of motion. The brand logo represents a promise of consistency, flavor, and quality that the consumer can rely on every time. As the shipping container doors close, these products are ready to cross oceans, bringing a taste of the tropics to the world, from a local farm to a global table. The logistics chain connects the hard work of farmers with consumers thousands of miles away. Seeing the product on a supermarket shelf on the other side of the world is the final validation of this incredible journey. The symphony of production, the rhythm of slicers, the hum of conveyors, and the snap of sealers is the heartbeat of this industry. It is hard work, demanding focus and dedication, but the pride in creating a high-quality product makes it all worthwhile. We return to where it started. Nature continues its cycle, with rain and sun preparing the next harvest for the production line. The cycle of life continues. New blossoms appear, promising that the flow of fresh ingredients will continue for seasons to come. We have come a long way from traditional manual methods. Technology has elevated the humble banana chip
Welcome to
into
the
a globally
factory. We
standardized
are so
product.
glad you are
This
here.
success is built on the collective effort of farmers, engineers, workers, and logistics experts working together as one cohesive unit, crispy, sweet, and golden. This simple snack is a triumph of agricultural selection and industrial precision engineering working in harmony. In a world seeking healthier options, pure production processes ensure that we can enjoy convenience without compromising on health or taste. We owe a debt of gratitude to the fertile land and the tropical climate that makes the growth of this fruit possible. From the tree to the truck, through the washer, slicer, and fryer, and finally into the bag, a perfect production flow. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the manufacturing process, please hit the like button and share this video with others. We would love to hear from you. Leave a comment below, telling us which part of the process you found most satisfying. Thank you for watching this journey on pure production flow. Subscribe now for more satisfying industrial insights. See you next time.